let me tell you how lucky we are to be on this bus. Even though I'm sitting on the ground next to the driver. And yeah, it's been quite a day. So we were doing a 2-day, 1-night tour out on Lan Ha Bay off of Cat Ba, and we had to cut it short because there was a tropical storm coming. And we had booked a bus for 3:30, but they told us that the last one was at 1:30, so we came back. And I did the worst thing I could possibly do, and I've been terrified of doing this. I finally did it. I had my medicine with me, and I put it in the icebox on the boat, and I forgot my medicine. And not just like in a refrigerator in a hotel, on a boat that pulled away after I had gone off. I didn't realize it until we got back to the tour agency. Got back and I was like, oh my god, I have to go back and get that. I hopped on a motorbike with the guy. He's calling, he's trying to get the people on the boat. We can't get a hold of the people on the boat. We pull up to the harbor and we're looking around like we have no idea where the boat is. And we hop on a little boat and we just start looking. Okay. Now, mind this is all under a time constraint because while we were supposed to leave at 3:30 on the bus, because of the storm, we came back early. We're supposed to be leaving at 1:30. I realized that I had forgotten what I needed and went back around 1 o'clock. So it's like I've got half an hour to get back to the port, to find the boat, to get my medicine, to rush back. And I'm on this little boat and it's just putt-putting along and we're looking around trying to find the boat by sight. And I'm like, oh my god. You know, it just, fingers crossed. And we did. We found the boat and we chugged up to it, and the captain saw me, he came and he threw the medicine off the boat. The tour guide caught it, and then the little chug boat turned around and we're chugging like slowly back to the harbor, and the tiny boat stopped. It stopped. There was like a huge piece of plastic that got cut up in the engine. So it's like 7 minutes until I need to be back at the travel agency where the bus is going to pick me up, and the motor is totally stopped. And I'm just sitting there like this on the boat like, oh well, maybe I'm not leaving the island today. I'm just going to have to waste a couple of days waiting out the tropical cyclone or whatever. So she gets like this long piece of bamboo and she's like hitting the engine and like finally pulls out this massive piece of plastic that had gotten all caught up in the engine. And we get the boat going again, but that was another 5 or 6 minutes that we didn't have. And we like jumped off of the putt-putt boat, ran to the motorbike, got on the motorbike, sped back to the tour agency, and I'm like just hoping that the bus is still there to pick us up, because it was maybe like 5 or 10 minutes after the departure time. But the bus had already left. I missed the bus. So me and my mom jumped on the back of 2 motorbikes and we made this long like curvy journey to go to the ferry terminal, which was about like a 40-minute bus ride from Cat Ba town to there. But we did it in like 20 or 30 minutes on the back of these bikes, and it starts raining. So it's raining on us as we're on the back of the bikes with all our stuff, like, oh god, I hope we make it in time. And we finally do. We get there and like we jump off the bikes and we're looking all around to see if our bus is still there waiting, and we found our bus and we got on the bus, and then the bus was full. Like, I don't know if our seats had been filled or what happened, but so now I'm sitting here on the floor. We worked it out so that we just kind of like squeezed everybody in, and we are on our way. But the worst part of all of this is that I was wearing this stupid fucking shirt the whole time and running around in a really serious situation, and nobody's gonna take me seriously because I've got like 200 bananas on my body. But we're going to Ninh Binh tonight, and I've got my medicine, and it all worked out, and yeah, it's a good story.